Hello, 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 and welcome to everybody, one and all. Now, there's not really too much to go on with here. Let me just get this out of the way. Now, a lot of people are used to using the File Explorer. There's plenty of ways to go about it. You can go down to this folder here, and then just bring it up. That's not a problem. Let me just close this out right now. It's like no one really needs to or cares about Barrington Levy right now, except for Barrington Levy or his family or his fans. But let's see here. What else can we do with File Explorer? If we just type in Explorer, okay, let me bring this into the screen so that way you can see a little bit better. If I do this again, it'll bring it up. No big deal. Now, that's the basics of it, and doing that in command prompt doesn't really do much for you because you're just going to resort to going to your mouse. But if you already know the location, like let's say you wanted to go into your music directory and you wanted to pick out a specific song, you could do something like this. Let me just copy and paste that there. You see right here, it's got the path, and I can just open up just a directory. Hold on. Let's just take that out and just go. And great, it opens it up. I have an MP3 and I also have an MP4. Now, same thing. Hold on. Now if I want to just see the video.
All of you chumps are gonna bow when I whoop him. I know you got him. I know you got him picked, but the man's in trouble. I'm gonna show you how great I am.
And I'm stopping right there because Joel, as much as I love him, he can get a little raw, and I don't want to be accused of actually corrupting minors. So, but if you're an adult, you pretty much understand where he's coming from, and you can enjoy the music yourself. But that's what I'm getting at, is you can actually open up different directories, you can open up different files just using the Explorer application, just typing it in there. You can put it into a batch file. You can open up spreadsheets, videos, MP3s. You could even open up Teams and start that up so that way you can, and if you already had a pre-set up environment for Teams in order to be able to do like a group meeting, one script can do the job for you. I hope this has been helpful. You guys have a nice day.